Our design philosophy combines safety, environmental protection and energy saving. SinterZone Debinding Furnace is an internationally renowned brand. Its accessories are selected from internationally renowned brands, and it is well known for its excellent quality and durability. In the design of electrical cabinet, we have put great effort into optimizing energy efficiency and safety to ensure efficient operation and long-term reliability. Let's take a look at our equipment. This is our advanced electrical cabinet system. This is our furnace door locking mechanism, and this is our circulating air system. This is our nitrogen conveying system. And that is our exhaust emission treatment system. When you are looking for an efficient, environmentally friendly and safe debinding furnace solution, SinterZone Debinding Furnace is undoubtedly the ideal choice for you.